For this Teachers Pay Teachers preview, I want to go ahead and kind of go over the nuances, benefits, and features of this tool, which is designed for all subjects and grade levels, K through 12. So I built this tool because I needed something for an opener activity, for a warm-up. That this could be used as an assessment tool, exit ticket, whatever. Within the tool, you can already change and customize the title to whatever you want to for every subject you're doing. So if you're trying to do math, so you can just say fraction matchup, whatever you want to do. Okay. Now, we're not touching the timer. The timer is the last thing you're going to touch by the time you're done customizing this. So all you need to do here, and this is only meant for 5 because this is meant to be a quick check for understanding, quick activity tool. That's all this is for. It's not for long-term things. It's just to help you with a kind of an assessment piece. So you can change the text definition. This is where your content's going to go. So if I wanted to put let's see here. So I'm just making something up. So 1/2 minus 1/3. Okay. And then the match key, I want to leave this here. I'm going to click Save Changes. So I got 1/2 minus 1/3. And actually, I want to maybe put like equals and then question mark. Let's do that. Save Changes. And then I want to make sure that the match key is A, matching over here to this. So I'm just making something up. Fractions. I don't really know the answer off the top of my head without doing it by pencil and paper. But we'll say it's about, let's see here, 1/6. I think it's the greatest common factor, greatest common denominator, whatever. Okay, so we'll say 1/6 here. Leave it as A. Okay. So we want to go ahead, if I wanted to do something else here, so let me just do another one. So we'll do 1/5 plus 2/3 equals question mark. I'm going to leave this as B. Or if I want to actually mix it up, because it'll be too easy to just leave it as B, but solution B is over here. So if I want to mix it up, I can actually change this. And you actually make the match key anything that you want to, but I'm going to actually mix this up. I'm going to actually make this, even though this is position C, it's just to not have students pick up on a pattern that the answers are all in order. We don't want that at all. So I'm going to make this C, and I'm going to select solution E to actually be match key C, and I'm going to make something else up here, and I'm going to put 3/5. Of course, I'm making this up. This is absolutely wrong, but that's not the point right now. So I'm going to hit C. So I'm going to just show you right now. So if I just now drag, if I start, because I can't drag this over right now. You see how I'm trying to drag it because it's not ready. We're still in content mode. We're still in creation mode. So if you want to start this activity, set your timer to whatever you want to. We'll put it in 2 minutes, and then we'll go ahead and hit start. And now I'm going to go ahead and just drag this over here. It's green because my match keys are set up. And I'm going to go ahead and put this here. And that's right there. It's supposed to go because of the match key. So if you want to mix it up, you don't want the students to easily guess what it is. Make sure that your match keys are set. There will be a teacher's guide or user's guide that I've also added to this to make it easier for you to use this tool. But that is pretty much it in a nutshell. Once you're actually done with the activity, we can hit stop, and that's it. And you can use this tool for whatever you want to. Check out more tools like this at the EdTech Tool Store and EdTech Tools and Game Store here on Teachers Pay Teachers.